start. Scene 2, take 1.
Hey guys, it's Kimberly. Oh wait, what's this fabric?
Do that stuff yet. I have to pause here
Okay.
because I made a mistake. Okay, I have cuddle dust in my eyeball.
Cuddle dust.
And I'm like, it is not a party. Like, I'm sorry. Like, there have been so many classes where we're all like, oh God, it's terrible.
So, our next step, okay.
I just don't want to miss it. Okay. I almost, Jesus Christ. You jinxed it.
I like, if you pull it like this, it comes like right off.
Okay, all right, let me do that.
I hope that you'll check out some of the other videos that we have on
Hi, I'm Doris with the X Block. Oh, jeez.
Use our Scheisse. Never mind, sorry. Okay. We're not gonna use our Scheisse.
Oh, sorry.
I swear if you say sorry one more time,
Okay, I won't do it anymore.
leave.
Sorry. Just kidding.
You're killing me.
I'm killing me. You're killing me, Smalls.
Good. Oh, careful, yeah. She just went for it.
She stuck the landing.
You're going to pull this knot through. Maybe a little less gently. I can't get a hold of that.
So I'm going to show you how you make your snowball units, and I'm going to show you the traditional way. Okay.
So in love. Now cross your heart.
Cross your heart, yeah.
Book is so in
I was
love.
like, yeah, the book is so in love.
To follow along with me, click the link below to download the free pattern. Is that right?
So funny how my voice like, like I just like, it's like the mom voice. You know what I mean? We're like, you do the demos, you're like, da 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 da. Okay, now what?
Okay. Cut. And hold.
The sides are really hot.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Ooh, my hand's so big. Okay, lower.
You're
Perfect.
Lori. Okay, we're recording, so be quiet. I cut in the wrong spot. Once you get all of these placed in the right way, you're just going to draw. Oh my gosh, I'm totally tongue-tied right now.
Guys, I'm not doing a good job right now.
I need to redo that again.
That's fun.
Stop. I'm fine.
And I'm here at Fat Quarter Studios. Nope, Fat Quarter Shop.
So you'll just take that.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna come back.
okay. Let's just start over.
Oh, you really?
This is oatmeal. Oh, okay.
Spend all your money at Fat Quarter Shop.
Yes.
Stop talking. Sorry.
All right, fine. I'm here at Fat Quarter Studios. You got that then.
Whatever you want. Wild geese, roll 3, scene 4, take 1.
Don't look at me like that. I cannot handle. So this is how the snowball looks. Oh my God. Then I'm going to chain piece this and stop, and we're going to press. And then I'll show you the next step.
Good.
Do you think we should do all that?
I'm sorry, I was listening. Okay, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Oh shit, were we not supposed to do that? Were we? Were we not?
No, that's okay. That's fine.
And she's gonna show us how to make her happy applique block using freezer paper. Oh.
We already started. Hi. Hi.
So this is how beautiful your snowball blow. Then you're gonna place that on your roof section in on. You guys, my tongue is like getting bigger and bigger.
So when I first started using the Xbox template, I started looking.
Pause real quick,
Yeah.
sorry. It just looked really funny that as she
did
was
I look
talking,
funny?
you were like,
Oh, okay.
So if
She's so cute.
captivating.
She's so cute.
This thread collection is, I just spit. I gotta do that one more time because I don't know. Check out the other videos we have on Fat Quarter Shop. Why this part always, every time.
Also, so much cuddle dust.
I know. I'm just sneezing.
know, I'm like, don't mind me, covered.
I'm ready.
I have to start all over again. I'm sorry.
Okay. That was cute.
Don't-
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I had to do this because I forgot. Yeah.
Wait, why would you do that? I don't know. You're jumping too fast.
I know.
The other thing that we have, sorry, cuddle dust.
Ties and even something else that you might want to sew.
And this is Vintage Christmas. Is that what it's called?
Comes. Oh, for real? For real?
I didn't. Okay.
For real?
They are super soft and snuggly. I think that's it. I totally spaced out what I was gonna say to finish.
No, you're good.
You are going to have 4 of these for each block.
Now, once you've sewn your roof section to the bottom section,
And a pattern that comes in your Sew Sampler box.
I got it. Hold on.
I think you're gonna really like it. And you're gonna make a total of
28.
And you're gonna make a total of 28 flying geese. And in today's studio, stop, see it's afternoon, I'm tired. Okay.
Do we care if I can't see stuff over here? Hey, I'm Teresa Coe. No.
One sec. Sorry, I knocked this out of
Who am I? What am I
framing.
doing here?
and then your whole door section will be ready to go. Can I say that again? Your whole, I don't know what to call this because it's the bottom part of the house.
foundation. I don't know.
Because this is the foundation.
That is the foundation.
I have a degree in architecture, actually.
I put this one in there and be like,
No, that's not gonna make sense. Don't do that. Don't
Yeah.
ignore the line.
And I'm going to lower my presser foot. Oh wait, we gotta start
Hang on,
over.
yeah. Camera fell. Sorry.
The camera
That's
fell
okay
really
because I don't know how to
totally
use this presser foot.
Okay, so the
apparently.
presser.
I just forgot my name.
Lori Holt has some Zweigart. Do you say it's Zweigart?
Hey, I'm Camille Rouse Kelly with Thimble. Oh, you guys, the pressure. Hey, I'm Doris with. Excuse me. I'll start over.
Like that. Don't do that. Whatever you do, don't do that. Can we cut to me looking like this?
Explain it.
We're recording, so you have to be quiet. Oh, stop walking. This grabs everything.
Yes.
Oh my god, I love you, Cody.
Oh my god.
I'm so excited.
You guys, I feel like my eyes are darting all over the place. Like I don't know where to look.
Oh no.
It's like a panicky thing. You're like,
Honestly, that's not how you sew a button on. You guys! Just hang on a minute. I'll be back.
Fish kisses. Fish kisses.
Oh, you're crazy. Get out of here.
It's too much. Kimberly.
It's Sammy.
Turn that on silent.
Hey,
You said noise.
tell them to be quiet out there, please.
This collection and this fabric line are something that I don't know what to say right now. Let me think of something. Give me a minute.
one more time. Sorry.
Like a rainbow.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Kimberly from this What is wrong with me? Okay.
It was so good. Well, we're gonna do another one this year. That's great news! Ah!
Take their tags off. They look really good.
This is tie your snowball blocks. Okay, I've gotta stop. I need a break.
You can take a minute. Yeah, you can take a minute.
What is wrong with me?